government in JAMB this year. This is your syllabus. These are the topics that will come out. These are the topics that will come out. So I will read them out for you. Very important. So as you study for the coming government exam in JAMB, focus on these topics. Number one, basic concepts in government, which has to do with power, authority, legitimacy, sovereignty, society, state, nation, nation-state, political process. Then, two, forms of government. It's a topic that you should study. Arms of government. Arms of government, which has to do with legislature, the executive, the judiciary, and the relationship of three of them. The fourth topic that will come out in this year's JAMB is structures of governance, unitary structure, federal structure of governance, confederal. You should study them. It's a topic. Then we have systems of governance, presidential, parliamentary, monarchical. We have political ideologies. Under it, we have communalism, feudalism, capitalism, socialism, communism, totalitarianism, fascism, and Nazism. These are topics you should focus on for government JAMB. Then we have constitution, meaning of constitution, sources of constitution, and every other thing around constitution. We have principle of democratic government. Principle of democratic government. Then we have processes of legislation. Processes of legislation as a topic. We have citizenship as a topic that will come out in this year's government for JAMB exam. We have electoral process. Electoral process. Then we have political parties and party systems. Political parties and party system. Now, I will send you this syllabus. I will send it to you on either to your email or to your WhatsApp, but I need you to do something. Subscribe, click on subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, and then come to the comment and tell me that you have subscribed and you want me to send you the PDF of this JAMB syllabus for government, and I will send it to you free. But first of all, subscribe, and I will send it to you on WhatsApp or on your email so that you can go through it very well as you prepare for your JAMB. After political parties, we have pressure groups, both definition of pressure groups, functions of pressure groups, types of pressure groups, differences between pressure groups. Then have public opinion. We have the civil service as a topic. Another part, other topics you must look at, which concern basically Nigeria politics, pre-colonial politics, imperialist penetration, how the imperialists penetrated, processes of decolonization, constitutional development in Nigeria, all this constitution, Clifford Constitution, Arthur Richards Constitution, John Macpherson, Oliver, all those constitutions. Post-independence constitution, that is both 1963, 1979, 1989, 1999. The characteristics of each of these constitutions and their shortcomings. These things will come out. I will send you the PDF so you can look at it. Constitutions of Nigeria in the post-independence Nigeria. Public commissions established by the 1979 and subsequent constitutions. Political parties and party politics in post-independence Nigeria, which has to do with both the First Republic, Second Republic, Third Republic, Fourth Republic. The structure and workings of Nigerian federalism is a topic you should read. Public corporations and parastatals. Local government. The military in Nigerian politics. I'm giving you expo. These are the topics that will come out. I will send you this PDF when you subscribe, so you can look at the topics and the subtopics very well. Then part 3, foreign policy. Nigeria's foreign policy. Nigeria's relations with African countries, other African countries. Nigeria in international organizations like the United Nations, the Commonwealth, Organization of African Unity, the AU, the ECOWAS, the OPEC. Then part 4 for government, international organizations. International organizations like ECOWAS, OAU, AU, Commonwealth, OPEC, UNO, African Petroleum Producers Association. The origins, objectives, structures, functions of these organizations. These are the topics you should expect. So subscribe to Noble Tutorial YouTube channel. Then come to the comment section, tell me that you are subscribed, and I will send you this PDF for you to look at very well. I wish you success in your JAMB examination.